Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. So much beauty is hiding in the ordinary, waiting to be noticed. Let's find some right now. Look around and let one small thing catch your eye. The way light falls across the surface, the steam rising from a cup, a shadow, a texture, a color that you like that you'd usually walk past. Rest your attention there. Really see it as if for the first time. This is the sacred ordinary, the intrinsic beauty woven through everyday life. You don't have to go anywhere special to find wonder. It's already here in the small and the simple. Take a slow breath in and let yourself appreciate this one little thing. Hold it, and as you exhale, intend for that beauty to fill every cell of your body. Beauty is always offering itself. We only have to notice. I am sending you so much love.